Here's a question whether it has to rationalize the denominator. So to do that, you multiply top and bottom by the conjugate of the bottom. And the conjugate is just the same thing, so the 7 and the root 10, but you change that sign from a plus to a minus, or you change it the other way. It just happened that the top is the same thing as that, but that doesn't matter. It's you take this, and the conjugate is you just change the middle sign. Multiply top, bottom. Okay, so let's multiply. It'll be a FOIL kind of thing, a double distributive property. So 7 sevens are 49, minus 7 root 10, minus another 7 root 10, plus the square root of 100, which is 10, over 7 times 7 is 49, minus 7 root 10, plus 7 root 10, and then minus square root of 100, which is 10. Now these two, one's minus, one's plus, so they cancel. Both of these are minus up top, so I can't cancel them. So I'll get 49 plus 10 would be 59, and then minus 7 minus another 7 would be a minus 14 root 10. On the bottom I have 49, take away 10, so it would be 39. Now if a number would divide evenly into that number and that number and that number, you could simplify it more. If you can't, just leave it like that. Okay, hopefully that helps.